Welcome to Yatsima's channel. So I forgot to film the intro to this video. It's actually a bright, shiny neon colored eye makeup that I did for you a few days ago, but I do like how it turned out, so I'm going to share it anyway. So if you want to see how I did this look, just stay tuned. Okay, so for this look, I'm going to start with my foundation. I don't usually need a lot, so I'm just putting it on around my eyes. And I'm also going to use it as a base for the makeup. So just a few dots. And then I'm going to grab my sponge and just blend that in. So just one layer for me. If you need more foundation, of course, you can put on more. And I also used the excess on the rest of my face just to blend it nicely. And then I also took a little bit on the top of my forehead where I have a bit more of a tan. Okay, so then for the eyes, I'm taking the Obsession Revolution Beauty London palette, and it's the Be Crazy About palette. And I grabbed my fluffy brush, and then I took the color Ardor, and I just put that on my lid. Just all over, a nice dusty layer. And I go over that a second time. And because it's powdery, just check for anything that fell. And then I'm gonna get the Obsession Pigment Boost, and that's a spray. And I'm just gonna put that onto my brush and take the same color and go exactly over the lid again. Just to make the color a bit brighter and to give it more definition. It's kind of a cheating way to do a cut crease without all the work. And you can see the color is getting a bit brighter now. Pick up any excess. And then I'm going to take my more controlled brush and I'm going to take the same pigment boost and spray that on there. You don't need very much. And then I took the color Icon and I'm going to go and put that on just on the outside of my eyelid. I'd say about the outer third. And you can see that's a wet brush. And I'm going to pull it into the crease. Do that on both eyes. You can see the definition on that side better. And I wanted mine really bright, so I went over it a second time. So you can really see the definition. I'll just go over the crease. And make sure you get it into the corners. And there we go. Once it's finished, it'll look even better. Then I take the same brush with the same color, and I'm going to put that underneath my eye. Not all the way to the inner side, but on the outside. And I'm going to connect the two. so that it has a connected corner. Almost like a cat eye. And then I take my favorite eyeliner, the Essence Liquid Ink, and I put on a really thick eyeliner there, just for some contrast. That one is really liquidy, so you have to be careful. And then the other eye, you can see that one goes on really thick. And just go over it as many times as you need to get the thickness you want. And there we go, eyeshadow and eyeliner. And then we just wipe up anything that fell. There you go. And the final step is my mascara, same waterproof mascara I always use. I'm just waiting to get some new ones to try out. If you wanted to use false lashes, of course you could. And I just put on 2 layers because it's really a flashy eye makeup look. Bringing out the few eyelashes that I have. And there we go. That gives it more added definition. And one of the last steps, I actually took a highlighter that's also by Makeup Obsession, another vegan brand. And I just put that on my cheeks. Don't need too much on the face because the eyes are very outstanding. So just a little bit where the sun would shine. And there we go. Face is finished. Now for the final step. I'm using the Body Shop matte lip liquid, and the color is Cali. That's actually the one that inspired this look. And that one went on really easily. And I put on 2 layers just to make the color stand out. And now the eyes and lips are very nice and matching. There we are. And the final look. And I hope you enjoyed this.